You're watching Your Best Friend, Crystal J.
What's that you wearing? That fit you wearing? You got a little more caliente every time you walk by. It's Amor Allure. Amor.
What's up? It's your best friend, Crystal J. Today I'm about to show you how to use Giphy and these GIFs to help your branding content. Let's get right into this video. You guys know I don't like long videos. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe. Let's get this branding together. Let's get our brands together. Let's make some money. And welcome to my channel. Right now, you guys see me looking for Giffies that I can use, or just, you call them, for my content, for my Instagram, my TikTok, my stories. And that's pretty much what you see me doing right now. Looking for something that fit my brand aesthetic of my branding. Now I think I want to use Beyonce, so I'm going to type in Beyonce. You're going to right click, save the GIF. Save it. And use that GIF somewhere in your brand, and I'm going to show you how. Now we're about to go to unscreen.com, which removes the background from any video. Now, I'm using a free version, going to give 5 seconds. Once again, I'm going to give 5 seconds, so keep the 5 seconds wisely. Now we're about to go to Canva.com, which I know Canva.com is the GOAT for 90% of everything you see on the Amor Allure, Instagram, Facebook, the Bear Talk Show. I make 90% of it here. The other 10% is Big Monkey, but Canva is really the GOAT. But what you're about to do now, look at that. Look at that. See how dope that is? Now you're about to upload the GIF you just created in Unscreen, the background removed. Now you're about to upload it and add it to whatever content you're trying to promote. Whatever you're trying to promote. On this particular image, I'm promoting my relaunch, which was September 26, 2020. Which I'm already relaunched. You can go to www.amorallure.com. But you still got how cute that is. It matches my brand. That's my brand aesthetic. Like, how genius is this? Like, you know your branding game is about to change. Like, how cute is that? And just add some music to it. As I think I added 7-Eleven to it because it was 7-Eleven. Song hit it. Anyway, I think it's like really cute and keep it a brand. So now I got an Instagram post and I'm about to add Beyonce to show you guys that it's so many ways you can use this cool idea I just gave you guys for your branding and to elevate your branding consumers level. Is more engaging. People are going to be like, what the hell, how did you do that? And you just refer them back to my YouTube channel so they can find out for themselves. Sharing is caring. Please share my YouTube channel. Alright, I'm going to show you guys one more time how you can make dope content using this feature I just showed you guys. So I'm about to play with it. And I actually use this one to promote my relaunch because you already know it's September 26th. You can see on the screen. I sped this up because you guys should know by now I don't like long videos. They're kind of pointless to me. That's to me. If y'all want a slow down version of something, please comment below and I will do that. So right now I'm just typing my design aesthetic. And if you like this, please share with your friends. They're going to be like, how'd she do that? Or how did he do that? You know. So now I'm about to resize this to fit a Instagram/TikTok story. You know, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, they're all the same measurements when it comes to that. I'm moving everything down and I'm really just sizing it for my Instagram story. I'm about to size her. And that's it. I really hope you guys are enjoying this content. Subscribe, like, share, comment below. And thank you for watching my video. I'm your girl, Crystal J. I'm your best friend with the branding.